Kejala Mekhalaya mentaka sengi ka santarik unailur arajar arpulai. Kalesnok tilang bakari India barak kauiban kenmau ya kasengi Burom jukini kailani kataka Teachers Day. Lakban kedawang ni baya ka Teachers Day layo nakasengi kha jong Presiden barem jukari India ubolong nuka jukapor Nonghikai bakrau kata Usarva Pali Radhakrishnan. Ya kejing rakhi ya kejala pulang apa sososam auditorium juga State Central Library hakaba umati kata puli-puti juga Sorkar jela urakam esang ma udalang okongsan. Ledan lang ruki officer jaga kata puli-puti bakam juru Nonghikai bat ki kena school. Kamenta ka bakongsan juga ni kejing rakhi kalong kejing ke Burom dan kejing I award di Nonghikai ki bedina ka state award bakam juru ki bedina ka district award ki bahap apa ka East Coast Hill district. Hakani kejing lang layo ru ya kejing ruai kejing syat man pen song shit ya kani kasengi nagi skol ki baper ukongsan ublong mati katna puli-puti haba ajeng kren dengan kasengi lapan kan mau ya ka Synñiang ya Bynhei jo Nonghikai kamtam ya kata ka benta ka bujuong ba Nonghikai kilong tei jong kalawai kani kasengi ki babur Nonghikai ki yo ya khosam ki lapan pau ka jing sokumen bagi lapan paru ba ka jing trai stam ba kamjur ka jing trai ki jong ki kalong nakamtaban hikai ki khana skol ba kamjuru Nonghikai ki ya akor ka Burom ba kamjur ka tip briu ka tip blai.
And we are one as a family. We will solve the responsibility together and we will take the forward journey together. Our advisor to the education, Bynhei Synñiang, is also the former director and the former MLA. Our Commission Secretary to Education, Sri Bradley Baxi. Our Director of School Education and Literacy, and Director of Research Training, Madam Manan, and Director of Technical Education, Madam Ali, and all the officials from the Education Department, and all my dear honorable, my dear teachers that and what is today, and all my teachers, my dear teachers from different schools and different colleges. On this auspicious occasion of the birth anniversary of our late former, the first Vice President and the second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, once again, of all levels, of all districts across the state and across the country. May your service and may your dedication will always to be remembered in the testimonies. One thing in the teacher's profession that it happens. One thing I see in the teacher's profession is there's one thing that teachers never fail. As a teachers, we never fail. But as a teacher, if somebody fails, he is and she is extraordinary, exceptional. So, when I was in class 10, there was a science teacher. So we, as a students, we always used to ask a question. So how did this happen? This formula applied, all that. So there was a teacher. He was a science teacher from, I think, Ravagro is from enterprise. So I asked, sir, how did X come from? I was in Hindi. Sir, what X kahan se aaya? So I was impatient. So he said, he was impatient and he got angry. And he answered, Asman se hai, Asman se. He don't know the response to me. So sometimes we as a teacher may be impatient, but it is not the quality of our teacher. So as our this spoke today, the commitment and responsibility is the full present profession of any teacher. My dear friends and my dear students, a teacher's proficient is a blessing from the above. I want to remind each one of you to be a teacher, to be a proficient. Let us remind together it's a responsibility, it's an assignment from the above. Therefore, we all us to be faithful. Because if you fail as a teacher, if we don't justice to the students as a teacher, we are spoiling, we are destroying the future of our children, the future of our society, and the future of our state, and the future of our nation. Therefore, as a teacher, when we are committed, when we are responsible, we always see the result. We have seen the narration story of Praveen Bakshi just after a few minutes ago. When you see some students and his testimony says of that kind, I'm here because of all my teachers. If the testimony of the student doesn't well sound, teachers will cry. Therefore, it's not about the salary, it's not about the attendance, it's not about something else. The success and the satisfaction as a teacher is not only when we see the best, the performing results of our students. When we see our students performing well, when our students are doing well, excelling well in different assignment, different sector, then as a teacher, you will feel it. Today I want to tell my testimony. Maybe I want to thank to all my teachers who have been shaped and designed my life. I want to start from my father. My father is a humble primary teacher. He just retired. I was in school from the
abilities. These two are engraved in our minds and our hearts from the moment we were brought to the profession. So with great humility, I want to say thank you for appreciating and recognizing our efforts. Being a teacher does not come with an expiration date. We are called to inspire, to be role models, to be leaders, and to guide. Whether it be in our own classroom or in the sanctuary of our own homes. Moving forward, we still have mountains to conquer and valleys to explore. With the upcoming implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in our state, the teaching community will have to work together more so than ever, supporting our learners in this paradigm shift. Because our common objective is for the future and holistic development of our learners. But